Let's talk about NuBrain and how it supports cognitive function through advanced biological activity. At the core of this formulation is an engineered compound called beta-hydroxybutyrate, a type of exogenous ketone. In simple terms, this is a ketone that mimics what your body naturally produces during times of low carbohydrate intake, like when following a ketogenic diet. Normally, the body relies on glucose as its primary energy source. But when carbohydrates are limited, the body enters a state called ketosis, breaking down fats into ketones, which serve as an alternative fuel, especially for the brain. The challenge is that fat itself can't efficiently cross the blood-brain barrier. While it can power the rest of the body, it doesn't directly nourish the brain. This is where ketones, and specifically beta-hydroxybutyrate, come in. They can cross the blood-brain barrier and provide a direct, efficient source of energy to neurons. As we age, many people develop varying degrees of insulin resistance, including in the brain. This condition, sometimes referred to as type 3 diabetes, interferes with glucose uptake by neurons. Without glucose, brain cells struggle to generate ATP, the energy molecule, leading to diminished cognitive performance and, over time, increasing the risk of neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's. But here's the advantage. Neurons don't require insulin to absorb ketones. By supplying the brain with beta-hydroxybutyrate, we bypass glucose dependency and deliver a clean, efficient source of energy that powers the brain, even in the presence of insulin resistance or metabolic dysfunction. In fact, research shows that ketones can generate more ATP using less oxygen than glucose, which is why many athletes and high performers turn to ketones for improved mental clarity and endurance. So, what makes NuBrain different? Unlike typical ketone supplements, NuBrain features a proprietary compound called ketoba, a combination of beta-hydroxybutyrate and butyrate, a powerful short-chain fatty acid. Butyrate is especially valuable because it activates fat oxidation in the liver, encouraging the body to make its own ketones in a process known as ketogenesis. This means NuBrain doesn't just give you ketones, it also primes your metabolism to produce more from your own fat stores. This dual action mechanism avoids the common problem with traditional ketone supplements, which can sometimes suppress the body's natural ketone production through feedback inhibition. In short, NuBrain fuels the brain with immediate insulin-independent energy, supports natural ketone production from your own body fat, and helps bypass glucose resistance, which is increasingly common with age and in many neurological conditions. This has major implications not just for individuals experiencing cognitive decline or recovering from brain injury, but also for healthy people who want to enhance focus, boost mental clarity, and build resilience to brain fog. With its dual action formula that fuels and primes the brain, NuBrain doesn't just keep you sharp, it helps you stay ahead.